You've got a great offer. Maybe it's a seasonal promo, a limited time discount, or a juicy membership incentive. But if your content isn't consistently driving people to see it and act on it, you're leaving conversions on the table. The Offer Content Focus inside Next Level Marketing AI fixes that. It gives your AI writing assistant the key details it needs to highlight your offer right inside the content your audience is already reading. By using this content focus, your offers will show up clearly, naturally, and in a way that gets attention without sounding pushy. All right, let's build one together step by step. First, go to the left-hand menu and click Add Content Focus. You will then land right here. From the drop-down, choose Offer as your content focus type. Now for the label, this is internal only, so pick something easy to remember. I'll use Summer Pass July Push. Next up is Offer Description. Be clear, specific, and lead with the benefit, what your audience gets and why it matters, so the AI can present it in a way that resonates instantly. I'll add, get unlimited access to our outdoor climbing walls all July for just $49. Includes gear rental, guest passes, and early access booking. Then we have offer requirements. Use this space to call out any key conditions your audience should know up front. That could be things like eligibility, location, or age limits. In this case, I'll add new customers only. Must activate by July 15th. Offer link is where you want people to go to claim the offer. I'll paste in this landing page. Last but not least, we have offer duration. Be specific here. The AI uses this information to create urgency inside the content. I'll say, offer is valid from July 1st to July 31st, 2025. That's it. Click Add Content Focus and you're set. You can now apply this content focus to any article inside your content queue. Now let's see it in action. In my content queue, I'll pick an article called Surprisingly Fun Outdoor Workouts for Summer. I apply the Summer Pass July Push content focus, hand it off to the AI, and let it do the writing. Now let's look at how the AI integrated details about my offer into my article about outdoor summer workouts. I'll read you a paragraph from a section on outdoor climbing so you can hear exactly how it shows up in the content. For beginners, starting might seem hard at first, but most outdoor climbing centers offer help from staff who guide new users through basic moves and safety steps. Some even include gear rental so you don't have to buy anything right away. If you're interested in trying climbing this summer, outdoor climbing passes can make it easier to start, especially if you're new to the activity. For example, this summer deal gives new customers unlimited access all July for $49. It includes equipment use and lets you bring guests too, which means friends can join in without extra cost. The pass also gives early booking access during peak times, a helpful feature when days get busy or weekends fill up fast. Just remember, it's only available until July 31st, and activation is required by July 15th. It's contextual, helpful, and actually encourages action without interrupting the flow of the article. So if you want your offers to get seen, shared, and acted on, add your first offer content focus now and apply it to your next article. The AI will take care of the rest. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.